everybody. So we're back with Miss Betrez today, and what we're going to do is learn a new workplace game. So it is called Racing Fractions. You're going to be using what you learned on Friday with Mr. Caldwell and the hikers. So the way that those number lines were split up look just like this. And so I'm going to just show you these couple of things, and then I'm going to tell you to go through these slides on your own. You're going to look at this and think about what you learned on Friday. You can see what these guys learned too by flipping those pages up. The game that we're going to play has all 5 of these number lines, and it looks sort of like this, except for the little cartoon guys. So let me show you how you play. At the end, you're going to play 2 rounds at least on your own, and later on we'll be able to play all together. So you're going to have either 5 red markers or 5 blue markers, and you're going to race along these number lines, and to win you have to get all 5 of your color onto the number 1. So let's learn how to play. So first of all, Erica's markers are red and DJ's are blue. I can't get myself out of the way here. I drew number cards 1 and 6. The greater number is the denominator, which is 6. So her fraction is 1/6. She's going to move her red marker 1/6 on the 6th number line. That's the one that also has a 6 on the denominator. So is this the right number line? No. Is this the right number line? No, because it has 3 in the denominator, and it's split up into only 3 parts. Is this the right number line? No. This one only has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and it has a 4 in the denominator. Is this the right number line? Yes, because it has a 6 in the denominator, and it is split up into 6 equal parts. And she needs 1, so we're just going to move her space 1. All right. Now, this is a few turns later. Erica and DJ have each taken a few turns, and this is what their board game looks like now. So help Erica and DJ. So she says, I'm winning. I think I'm red and I'm winning because one of my markers is just 1/8 away from 1. And he says, I think I'm winning because one of my markers is still on 0. Who is winning? You're going to say who you think is winning and why. All right, on another turn, DJ drew 8 and 3. So his fraction is 3/8. Remember, you put the bigger number on the bottom. So you put the bigger number in the denominator. So drag his blue marker 3/8 toward 1. And what does it land on? 1, 2, 3. The blue marker lands on what? You could say it lands on 8, because this is 7/8. Now he's gone 8/8. So you would write 8/8 on this slide. If you have all of the pieces of the pie, then you have a whole, or 1. All right. Erica has to split up her move. So this is another strategy that you can use in this game. Her fraction is 2/3, but she only has 1 more third to go. So she's going to split her fraction up into 2 moves, which is totally legit. She can move her red marker 1/3, which is fine. So far she's moved 1/3. So how much does she have left? If she has 2/3 to start and she moves 1/3, she has 1/3 left. So go ahead and fill that in when you get here. Oops. She says, I had 1/3 to move, so I moved my marker on the 6th number line. Why can she do that? Because there are equivalent fractions. See how they line up like that? 1/3 is the same as 2/6. They're right underneath each other on these number lines. What was the move that Erica made correct? Could she move her marker from here to here and say that that is 1/3, even though it says 2/6 underneath? Oop. All right, so the next slide has a movie on it that you'll watch. I am not going to watch it with you right now. Can Erica move her erasers? So it's been a few more moves. I have almost all of my markers on 1. She's got, let's see, all but 2. I got the fraction 3/6. That's the same as 1/2. 3/6, you can find it on here. See there? It's 3/6, and if you go up, 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 3/6 is the same amount as 2/4 and 1/2. It's also the same as 1/4. Anytime you can line these up like that, that means they're equivalent fractions. So she says that's the same as 1/2, but all of my red markers are past 1/2. So what should she do? She's got 3/6. What could she do? So this is where you have to try to look and see what kind of equivalent fractions are there. All right. So then, oh, now I've lost my place. Okay, so I want you to really think about that. What could she do? Well, she says that she can break up her fraction into 2/6 and 1/6. So she's going to move 2/6 forward and 1/6 back. Is that still moving 3/6? Yeah, because 2/6, 2 of them plus 1 more of them are 3/6. All right, so now it's your turn to play. So go through these slides again and make sure that you understand how you can figure out these equivalent fractions. Miss Betrez will help you, and you can go ahead and play this game. So it tells you right here how to play. You will also have access to this on, this is the card deck. Just click it and stop it. 4/3, so 3/4 I rolled. Yeah, so go ahead and go through all of these slides yourself and then start playing the game. Play through at least twice, okay? All right, have fun and I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see here. Uh-oh.